right, so we are heading to one of our favorite little spots here in Salem called Harrison's Comics. Now, this place is cool as hell. It's right on Essex Street where a lot of the popular stuff is. But we're going to walk in there and show you what it's like. Rainy, cold day here in January in 2025. But anyway, we're out and about. Still a lot of tourists running around all over the place, checking the Salem and everything else like that. But we're going to go into our favorite little store here. There's comic books, there's trading card games, there's plushies, there's toys, there's manga, there's... well, you'll see what I'm talking about.
I can't really say my favorite stuff.
And there we go. Comics and pop culture. Harrison's. They literally got everything in here. So cool. This one has a field day in here every time. Now the hard thing about this place is not losing your wallet, because they got all kinds of cool things here that you just absolutely want to spend all your money on. Yeah, waiting for the new season to come out. Can't wait for that one. And since we're in Salem, a little bit of hocus pocus. Oh, Mia, they got you.
No, this is you.
They got you here.
This is you.
And yeah, no difference. Oh, the Hobbits. Hey, what is that thing? That's Mia's favorite book right there. The Book of Bill. Yeah, this place is just crazy loaded with stuff. Cool stuff. One of my all-time favorite films, Labyrinth. And by all means, one of the best films ever, The Dark Crystal. Comic books, comic books, comic books galore. And of course, some Funkos. Those, man. Logie. Dude, that little guy up there from the movie The Ghoulies. 80s friggin' hilarity kind of horror with these little creatures running around. I loved it. I thought it was hilarious. I want to use friggin' Godzillas, yeah. Godzilla 64, Godzilla 62, King Caesar 74. Nice. So yeah, if you're coming here, make sure you got some time to put to the side. And come in only spending a certain amount of money, because you'll spend it all. Oh, these are cool. Some Jim Henson Presents. Labyrinth. Really cool. You ever had a feeling that someone's watching you? Uh-oh. Not good. Pennywise. All right, so over here you got Harley, and then you have the big boy. There's the Hulk. That's a big, big Hulk too. You gotta come in here to check him out. He's a big size.
No.
Red light, green light, red light, green light. All right, T-Rex is just hanging up. Dr. Jones is the golden idol. This one here, nothing but trouble. Board games, board games, board games. Back side of the store. All right, so this one suckered me into getting her something. Little dragon. All right, we're heading out of here in a second, but she got what she wanted. Spoiled brat. All right, so that's it. She's happy. All right, we're heading back. Anyway, that's one of the comic book stores here in Salem. So Harrison's Comics, definitely a place nice to go to when you get a chance, right here on Essex Street. Bunch of other things I want to show you guys, but yeah, that's it for now. Peace.